Welcome in my Berlin apartment. When you enter, this is the first part of the apartment you get in. It's a small hallway and I put all my shoes here so they're ready, and when I need to get out the door they're ready right there, and all my coats. So because it's winter I put them all here, and my scarf. Yeah, so this is a small hallway. Yeah, very basic, but then this is where the magic happens. So let's go in. Okay, so when you enter my apartment, this is the first room you get into. It's the kitchen table. This room is honestly where I spend most of my time, and I would definitely say it's my favorite room of the apartment, and I'll show you around. So you enter and there is my bike right here. You have no idea how much I love this. I bought it when I was 7. Can you imagine? So it's been years and years and it's still here. It's the kitchen table. This is where I do all my work. German classes, because global pandemic, everything is online. YouTube work, emails, just everything happens here. And on top of that, this is also where I eat. I'm obsessed with big table, that especially when they're in wood. Some candles, and yeah, all of the things I need to work. And I put some fairy light just to make it a bit more homey. So all of these windows that you see, like even back there, this is all my apartment. And then my view is in this little courtyard, which is nice. I mean, I have some green, and you know, this is Berlin, so this is as much as a view as you can get when you're on the first floor here. And then if you come back here, this is candle related stuff, a few snack, more snack. And then this bin, I love it. I'm so glad I brought it here. I just use it to put all of the things that I might need to grab before I head out the door. So this is my workout cap, biking, some hats and beanies, and my gloves because it's so cold in Berlin. So yeah, this is all in here. And then you get into the kitchen. Yeah, so I mean, I'm not really gonna explain what a kitchen is to you, but one thing I would like to say though is that here I keep all of my agenda stuff, because I love waking up in the morning, making some coffee, and then checking what are my plans for the day. And then I'll take my coffee to the table and I'll start working. So now you get into this hallway. As you can see, it's quite big. So if you walk in here, you walk here, and the first door on the right is the bathroom. So this is my bathroom. I'll show you. Here is the shower. Nothing fancy, but it works great, and it's actually quite big here. It's really nice. And then here you walk in. There's some hooks with my towels and stuff. I love the fact that there's so many hooks here. And then what's actually also nice is that this is the first door that you can close, but you also got a second one here. So this one I usually leave open. And then you walk into this area of my bathroom. So this is the sink, nothing too fancy. Toilet, great. And then here, also I would like to say that German people, height is not my thing. Woo! But I had thought about it, so ta-da! And this works great. Hi! Yeah, and so this is just, you know, my little area of the bathroom that I really like. So in the morning, I'll just do my stuff here. I do not see myself, but then I'll turn around and I'll be like, oh, okay, looking good today, Gaëlle. Do my moisturizer and stuff. And I actually am obsessed with this window. I just love it so much. The details are incredible, even though it's just a tapestry, but I really appreciate it. And a plant, because we love plants. Okay, let's leave the bathroom. Nothing too exciting in here. This was the bathroom door. You get into here, the living room. First, water and workout weights, and then this is the living room. At first glance, This is not interesting, I'll go over that. But then here is where I put all my like random stuff that I might need to grab really quickly when I leave, and also my purse and bags. So you know, maybe I'll be like, oh, I need my airport, put them in the back and I go out the door. This is really useful. Yeah, and then living room, another candle that's going on, and then some books I'm currently reading at the moment. This is in German, Harry Potter und der Stein der Weisen. Anyway, and then I love, wait, so this is the view I get. Nothing too fancy, but I mean, I enjoy having this view and it's very calm. Almost no one can see into my apartment, at least I think so. So this is really nice, yeah. 2 big windows. Oh, I almost forgot to show you this painting. I love it so much. I don't know where they got it from. I mean, there's the name of the artist on here. I have no idea, I cannot read it, but oh my god, like look at this. This is so pretty. The first time I came in here, I was obsessed. And I love that there's a few paintings which came with the apartment. I didn't bring them here. But this painting, I love it so much. So yeah, so then we'll go into my bedroom. Overview of my bedroom. Also those big windows, which I totally love. Love waking up in the morning and opening up the curtains. It's the best thing ever. This random chair, which have a few clothes on it. And then yeah, my bed, pajamas, just you know, closet, which I'm not gonna go into. And then this area I quite enjoy. Makeup, and by makeup I mean like 4 glass, because that's, you know, all I wear. I don't like makeup, but I love wearing glass. So yeah, this is basically all that's here. Glass, and then a few products like my perfume, another glass, jewels, and then some more fair lights that I brought here. And then there's also some hooks here which put my little backpack on. I also really love my bedroom. Okay, so this was my Berlin apartment. I think I showed you everything. Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this apartment tour. It was really fun filming it, and I can't wait to get your feedback. I wish you a great day, and if you are looking into moving to Berlin, I highly recommend you move and you come. First day I was here, someone asked me, hey, are you actually here because you are planning on moving to Berlin at some point in your life? And I said, oh, no. And well, now it's day, I don't know how much in Berlin, and I'm like, oh my god, I am never leaving this place. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave you to it now, and see you later in my next video. Bye guys.